here is a job description for an executive assistant. We'll use that role from LinkedIn. And now we're going to log into GPT, but you can always use your favorite chatbot or your large language model, anyone you choose. Here we're using GPT. So we'll go through this job description first to understand this job description, and you should also always go through your job description even if AI is going to analyze it for you so you can better understand what you're doing. And you know how to better pick from what the AI has given you to add to yours. Remember, it's not the best to always just copy and paste from a large language model like ChatGPT. You need to add in some of your own thinking to make it better. Now we are going to copy this job description and paste it into ChatGPT. So we need to give GPT context so it understands what we are doing. And so I'm typing out here, applying for the role of an executive assistant. And we are asking GPT to analyze this job description and give us keywords, because what we're looking for are the keywords in this job description, so we can add it to our CV or resume in order to make it stand out. So here is our job description. You paste it, copy and paste it. So here we are. See, GPT has analyzed and given us core skills and competencies in addition to giving us the keywords we are looking for. So it has given us extras, including soft skills and tools and software that this job description requires us to have. In fact, it has added some action-oriented phrases for our CV. And with this, we are on our way to writing a better CV. But now we will have to go to our template, our CV template. What I always advise is that you have a basic template for your CV. It saves time. So anytime you need to start another CV, you just get your basic template and adjust it to the specification of the new job you are going to be applying to, instead of starting from scratch every time. So now we'll go to the base CV I created for this, for a virtual assistant, because this is an executive assistant role. This is our CV. You see, it has your address, phone, email, and your VA portfolio, link to the VA portfolio. And now it has the professional summary and your work experience. So let's see from GPT what we are to do to make this CV better. Let's look at our core competencies, our keywords: executive support, calendar management, confidentiality, project management, then deadline. So we need to include some of these keywords in our summary. So the keyword here is executive assistant. The job description says executive assistant, so we're clear that virtual assistant and add executive assistant. And then we are going to adjust the second line as well, taking from these keywords, these core skills and competencies. Let's see about confidentiality and discretion. So here, project management. Remember, you can always ask your AI to write you a professional summary. But in this case, I would like to write one. So many companies and people are getting wary of AI written CVs. So you want to make sure yours looks like it was written by you. So I'm just going to be adjusting some of this taking from what we have from GPT and adding into it. But of course, you can always ask GPT to write you a professional summary, and then you can edit from there. Now we take the action-oriented phrases GPT has given us to work on the CV. And we'll edit, take this out, this particular one was for a role in social media. So this one is for an executive assistant. If you would like to know how GPT can help you with all your favorite LLM can help you with the CV, I have a previous video on how to craft that. Now we're just working quickly on this CV to get it finished. We're going to take those action-oriented third points and adjust them on our CV to make it better. Remember that while it's about the role you're applying for, you can add false information to your resume. So we'll take this and put it there. And of course, you can always add your job role, your role into the AI, so it will phrase it better for you. Remember, you should add your impact to your resume so your hiring manager knows your impact in your previous role. Copy this and take it over. So here, manage executive calendars and meetings. Of course, what was your outcome in managing those executive calendar? What was the impact? And I'm going to try to add the impacts. Maybe the impact of that would be that it helps your client or your boss get to a meeting on time, or like here said, reduce conflict. Meeting conflict would be time conflict, and you add that impact so that your prospective employer can see what you bring to the table. what you did, the outcome, and how that helped in any way, whether the organization or the processes. No, those skills. You see all the skills GPT has put there for you. Of course, we already have in the CV because Google Workspace is essential skill for any VA or executive assistant, Microsoft Office, so it was already there. And now we're going to add some of the skills that we probably left out, that we shouldn't have left out. Calendar management, of course, if you are a VA or executive assistant, you should know how to manage calendar and travel, as well as project management, which we already have there. So we'll just add them quickly. When you're done with this, the good thing about this is that you can copy your whole resume and put it in the and input it into the AI for it to check if your CV matches with the job description. Of course, there are dedicated apps to this sort of work, checking if your CV has the level of match, the way your CV matches with the job description. You have tools like Career Flow and others, but your favorite your favorite chatbot can do just and much the same for you. So in this case, we're going to copy it and ask GPT. So here is what GPT has given us, because I forgot to ask it to match it to the job description and give me a percentage of how much it already matched or it should have given. I just added it and forgot to input that. So now it has given me a professional summary, giving us professional summary with the skills we need to add and the professional experience. It has reworked some of this, although it has kept what we did and reworded, rephrased some of the points, including highlighting which areas we match with the CV. So, well, this is nice. You could change your CV, but for me, I would leave that professional summary. I think it had most of, because one, I prefer the professional summary in bullet points. Other way is easier for someone. This one is a bit packed, and looking at it, you can choose. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave your comments. Till I come your way next time. See you. Bye.